Oh my gosh.
So we're at church. It's our last Swazi Sunday church, and they're catching a snake right now. It's a black python. It's really scary. Black mamba.
How long have you been in Africa again? Oh,
No,
3 months?
Not long enough, obviously. They told us that if one gets bitten, we all die. So, Mom, I love you.
Incorrect.
That's
also
actually,
false.
it is correct. This episode on Animal Planet.
We got snakes in the washer machine at church. It's kind of scary. Pooped my pants just a little bit, yeah, we're growing up here.
They called the snake guy in. He drives a red truck. Can you see it?
There it is, right there.
Snake truck.
What's scarier is that he came in wearing shorts and sandals, puts on these little dinky goggles, and he's bending over. The goggles drop off his face. But I think he's got it.
It's Graham the snake guy. I trust him. I think I trust him with my life.
What's going on here?
Where are its knees on the snake? Can someone point them out to me?
I need to offer man help.
We just gotta boost the testosterone in the room, you know?
That's right.
Or what we just learned. Women are not insuperior.
Yeah, there have been
Inferior.
Superior.
If it bites, we all run away.
You know what a cobra
This is
cobra venom?
There was like one of those petri dishes of blood, and then they put like some snake venom in it, and it all hardened up. They were like swishing it around like this, and the whole thing hardened up.
this
Isn't
is
that
Snake
horrible?
venom kills people,
So basically,
Liz.
it's gonna harden our blood, and
this
we're
is
gonna
some
die
spooky
immediately.
stuff. Are you scared?
No.
I think that if the snake asks for like a sacrifice or a ransom, we need to give name.
I volunteer me because I am not scared of snakes. It's good.
Wow, she just volunteered herself for to get
That was-
eaten by the
that
snake.
was Free my man.
What a savage. What a savage. Next time your supporters don't want to give you an extra little bit of money for health insurance or anything pertaining to personal health, I'd encourage you to think that one through again, because it's really dangerous out here. It's really dangerous.
Good. I envisioned the snake to be like 100 feet long. He's a baby, but
Skinny.
he's a skinny boy.
We're alive and well.
Hey, what do you think about the snake?
Did you say snake?
No!
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Tune in later.
Tune in later.
For a special preview. Church in Africa.
Church in Africa. Where we have to kill snakes and also Satan, who is a snake. Thank you for keeping up with the updates of Snakegate 2K18.
Well, that's all, folks. Thank you for tuning in today, but he's got him. We're safe. No worries. See you later.